Here's your complete 7-day Bali itinerary. Here's everything we'll cover in this video. Visit June through September for dry season sunshine, but avoid December through February when daily downpours hit. I put together a free interactive version with maps, budgets, and food guides at Yopki.com. Bebek Bengal Dirty Duck Diner serves crispy duck in traditional Balinese style with rice patties as your backdrop. The signature dish comes with sambal mata and costs about $25. Pura Taman Saraswati is a water temple with lotus ponds and intricate stone carvings. You can watch traditional dance performances here most evenings for just $2 entrance. Ubud Center area offers art galleries, craft shops, and street musicians along Jalan Raya. You can explore the bustling streets on foot and soak in the creative energy. Budget for today, about $112. Clear Cafe specializes in organic vegetarian dishes with ingredients from their own garden. Try the Buddha bowl or raw lasagna for around $19 in a peaceful garden setting. Warung Munduk is a family-run spot serving authentic Balinese home cooking for $8. The mountain views and traditional recipes make this a local favorite worth the visit. Your hotel pool and spa area provides the perfect place to unwind after exploring. Most hotels offer complimentary pool access and affordable spa treatments. Budget for today, about $134. Finn's Beach Club sits right on Canggu Beach with infinity pools, beach loungers, and oceanfront dining. Expect to spend around $57 for food, drinks, and day club access. Padupalang Beach is Canggu's main surf spot with black sand and consistent waves for all skill levels. You can rent boards, take lessons, or grab food at beachside warungs for about $38. Pura Luhur Batakaru sits on Mount Batakaru's slopes, surrounded by rainforest and mist. This peaceful mountain temple sees fewer tourists and costs just $4 to enter. Budget for today, about $186. Single Fin is perched on Uluwatu's cliffs with epic sunset views and live music sessions. The Clifftop bar serves wood-fired pizza and cocktails for around $25 per person. Pura Luhur Uluwatu stands on dramatic cliffs 70 meters above the Indian Ocean. You can watch the famous Kekek fire dance at sunset for $11 entrance fee. Uluwatu Clifftop area offers stunning coastal paths and hidden viewpoints above the crashing waves. You can walk the clifftop trails for free and discover secret beach access points. Budget for today, about $231. Hotel reception will arrange your airport transfer and store luggage if you have a late flight. Most hotels offer free luggage storage and can help with last-minute bookings. Uluwatu local shops sell handmade jewelry, surf gear, and Balinese crafts at better prices than tourist areas. You can find unique souvenirs and support local artisans for around $19. Nyongyang Beach requires a steep 15-minute hike down, but rewards you with white sand and few crowds. The untouched coastline and turquoise water make it worth the climb for just $1 parking. Budget for today, about $107. You'll spend about $171 daily, with accommodation and food taking the biggest chunks. Eat at local warungs instead of tourist restaurants to cut costs by 50 to 70%. You have to try the Bebek Betutu at Bebek Tepisawa in Ubud. It's only $8 to $12 for duck. That takes 6 hours to prepare. The nasi campur at Warung Babi Guling Ibu Oka costs just $3 to $5 with the same recipe they've used for 30 years. For breakfast, grab mie ayam at Warung Mie Ayam Asli in Canggu, where locals queue every morning for hand-pulled noodles at $2 to $3. If you're choosing where to stay, base yourself in central Ubud for culture and temples, Canggu Beach area for surf and beach clubs, or Uluwatu Peninsula for dramatic cliffs and world-class waves. Canggu offers the best mix of beach life and walkable cafes, though you'll need a scooter to get around. Uluwatu has the most spectacular views but feels more spread out and requires transportation between spots. Full guide at Yopki.com, itineraries, Bali 7-day. Link in the description.